Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Spartan Sport Wrist HR, and I'm gonna show you how to change the backlight brightness on this device. First we need to press and hold the middle button to open the shortcuts menu. Once you open the shortcuts menu, scroll down. You can do it by swiping up and down on the screen, or you can use the lower button right here to scroll down. Select the settings option. I'm gonna tap on it, but you can press the middle button. Now, select General. Here, let's scroll down. Select the backlight option. Now scroll down, and at the bottom we have brightness. Select it, and here we can scroll up and down through the list of levels of brightness. Select the one you like, and then select it by tapping on it or pressing the middle button. Oh no, yeah, it works. You can tap on it like this. And that's how you change the backlight brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.